today I'm going to try diving. I don't know how it's done, but I hope you will enjoy and I hope I'll make it successful. So come with me, cameraman, as I try this. The diving is 8.1 feet.
7.5.
8.5 feet swimming pool. So I'll try to make sure that you show me clearly, Mr. Kingasi, from down to bottom. You can go back a little bit.
Okay, yes, Movad, what was the experience?
Yeah, I did it. I went down to the floor.
That's fine.
It felt so good.
Is it your first experience?
I'm super excited. Actually, it's my first experience.
Sure.
And I
You have done it so well.
I hope we can try it one more time. See if I can. You can.
All right, you sure?
Yes, let me try one more time. We can end the videos we try. Cameraman,